Last year around this time, we launched our Express batch and 11 of those students made it to IIM Indore, 14 of those students made it to IIM Rohtak. And this year, we are coming up with Express 2.0 starting from 2nd of January, and let's hear all that is there about it. It is going to be the last batch before your board examinations. Hi there, Saksham this side from AceIPM, and without any further ado, let's begin. Now, a lot of you might have a question in your mind. Should you rather start your preparation after your board examinations? That is a valid question, but hear me out. After your board examinations, you will be roughly left with about 50 days of time to prepare for your exams. And for your preparation, you will have to go through the conceptual part. You will have to practice a lot. You will have to give a lot of mocks, analyze them, do all of it in 50 days of time to sail through your examination journey. While it is possible, it is not at all ideal. Yes, there will be a majority crowd who will start preparing after their board examinations. Some of them will also get into their dream colleges even when they're starting at that point in time. But the efforts required at that point in time and the commitment required from your end is going to be very, very high. If you're starting out early, if you're starting out in the month of January, yes, you will not complete the entire syllabus before your board examinations, but at least the portion that you'll cover right now is going to give you a head start once you come back to your entrance preparation after you are done with your boards. And that is exactly how our batch is also structured. In the month of January, we will be covering about 60% of your syllabus for both quants and for verbal as well. And during this time, we are going to make sure that in the classes which happen in the evening, you are covering most of the practice part in the class itself so that you don't have a lot of work to do after the class, so that you are still preparing for your board simultaneously, because your board examinations are also very important. You will also be given special emphasis on your verbal ability section, because a lot of people sideline their verbal preparation and then it becomes a problem later on when the sectional cutoffs are sky high, which has been the case with IPMAT Indore in the past few years. So to address that, you will have daily practice material available for your verbal ability. You will have daily readings just to make sure that you're preparing and creating that habit of reading on the way, because verbal ability is a process. You will have these live sessions where we are going to do a deep dive strategy analysis in terms of how you should go about preparing for verbal ability, and all of that is going to be taken care of just to make sure that you're not slacking off in the verbal ability section. Similar would be the case in the case of quants. Again, a lot of practice filled sessions just to make sure that your conceptual as well as practice part is taken care of during this 1 month of time in the month of January. Once we are done with the month of January, you will have to give full attention to your board examinations from the month of February till March. Once you're done with your board examination is when we'll come back to your syllabus. We'll cover the rest 40% of the syllabus as well, but now you will be left with a lot of time to practice, to perfect your topics, and also to give a lot of mocks. And we have about 80 mocks available for you guys for both IPMATs as well as other BB entrances. And especially in the case of IPMAT Indore, the 25 mocks that you are going to have, a lot of them will also come with mock analysis sessions. And in those sessions, we are going to discuss in terms of, how, you should strategize your mocks and what can you do better than the previous mock, and just to make sure that you are covering up and making sure that all the shortcomings that are there in your mock are being taken care of. All of that is going to be done in those mock analysis sessions. Additional to that, you have a lot of practice material available. You will have 20 booklets delivered to your doorstep, which will cover the theory, practice as well as the sectional test. You also have IPMAT relevant material available on the online portal that you have. So all the practice, all the conceptual lectures, all the mocks and their analysis is taken care of by us. And to top it off, you have unparalleled mentorship support from your seniors from IIM who have been there, done that already, and are now here to help you guys with your preparation as well. You will have all of this available at your disposal if in case you join our course, the Express 2.0, which starts on 2nd of January. If in case you're joining right now, the price has already been reduced for the course, and in addition to that, you can use the promo code New Year to get an additional special discount, which is valid only for the first 50 enrollments. If in case this is something that interests you, you can go and head over to our website aceipm.com and book a counseling session with us. The mentor will guide you in terms of what the course is about and see if in case the course is the right fit for you. If you feel that way, I'll see you on the other side. Until then, stay safe, take care, all the best, and bye-bye.
So now, how can we get you started? Go to AceIPM.com. Over here, you will see the free counseling button. Click on that, enter your details, and a future senior of yours from IIM is going to give you a call, and you can get all your doubts clarified from them.